Hey, you must be on speaker. I couldn't even tell one thing you said.
This is the duty prosecutor. My name is Anthony Smith. How can I help you?
Anthony Smith. You got a bar number?
Why do you need my bar number, sir?
Just for my notes, I take phone logs.
I don't feel comfortable giving out my bar number.
Are,
You can look me up.
okay, Anthony Smith.
Yeah.
It's under Anthony? Is there a middle initial? Because that's a common name, Anthony Smith.
Is there a case that I can help you with, sir?
Yeah, we want to set up a meeting with the FBI. I have 2 cases in Palm Beach that I'm going to give you the case numbers, okay?
I don't have access to Palm Beach County.
Everyone does. Just take the notes. You don't have to do anything right now. I just want to have a meeting on Zoom with 2 state prosecutors over there at the same time. I have to have more than one. And we'll have our consultant team to discuss some timing in regards to a couple terrorism attacks. Okay? So I'm going to give you 2 case numbers. And it involves people in your county and your office. Okay. The first case is 2023 CA. You writing this down?
Yep.
16963. Okay. That one's going to be Gilberti versus George Bush. My name's Joe Gilberti. Write that down. Gilberti. I presented to Broward County back in April 2016, public record. We're engineers in it, and I'm the attorney of record. There's another case in Palm Beach, 2023, CA 16778. Gilberti versus FBI. It's going to have a list of judges and stuff over here in Sarasota been subduing me with time terrorism. They're cocky. Now, there's this resolution at the House, Congress, I want you to write down, House Resolution 5736. Came out May 10th, 2012. Retroactive with our natural resource find. It's an underground river with primary water. I'm not going to get into the engineering of it. You're an attorney. Okay? It's all there. There's a case at the Supreme Court right now, Gilberti versus Pentagon. It's docketed. They ain't going to do nothing because Katanya Jackson Brown's over there. They're protecting her. 23-5414. So we have a 300-mile pipeline coming to you. You're going to get like Fiji water to the tap. And they're all over the world, under the desert. You don't need rain for water and food. And they hid this stuff 50 years and they're caught. It's like having tap water treatments based on cancer rates. I'm not going to get into all the economic boom we're going to get as soon as the media hits. And we've gotten to the media. So what they did is they got cocky. We turned in our Marjorie Stoneman Douglas application 17 days prior. 17 get shot and killed, 17 get wounded. We offered $1 million each at the school board, and they started kidnapping me again. So we just want to talk about the timing based on Title 18, U.S. Code 241 and 242, conspiring against my rights. And we got a death involved. So if those kids got shot and my rights got taken, it could be the death penalty for anybody that plays it. So, Anthony, we're going to give you my number, 813-470-6000. There's a case, it was called State versus Corey Gilberti, my cousin. Judge Fine had it. He got PTI right after he did the Broward presentation. Someone shot up the whole building in Broward with an AR-15 and put it on him. He never had a gun in his life. Who gets PTI for that? So I have that case number. We'll bring it into the Zoom meeting. And then we're going to show you a bunch of fraudulent transfers with over 50 judges on over 2,000 acres of land. So we want to bring the FBI. I want to bring our private investigators and attorney as witnesses when I get to the Zoom hearing. We're asking, I can come over there and we can bring them all in person, but it's sure a lot easier for us because we got people from New York, Sarasota, and Lee County that want to patch in. Some of them might be leaders. I'm not going to say names. So we can discuss just the timing. No one's saying Parkland didn't happen. No one's saying you guys did anything wrong yet. We want to discuss the retroactivity, okay, into subduing their adversaries, which was subduing me to stop the permitting and stealing money out of our banks even, we can show. So we're going to do every state attorney's office in the Tri-County area and all the way up to Tampa. You're not the only one, so don't feel special. You just happen to be the one where the Cruz case was. And you could look at Gilberti versus Nick Cruz. I was trying to serve it, and they kept putting watermarks on it, and they blamed it on Google at the state on the e-file. You can Google Gilberti Cruz. It's in there. You can see the story. Nobody's moving this underground river, man. Okay? Changes medicine, too. All right? So check it out, man, Anthony. You sound young. I'm from South Florida. I know everyone down there, and I'm going to present, and we're going to be offering revenue bond. I'm taking down the revenue bonds. It's like the mortgage on the pipes. All the blacks from Tampa to Miami get free water bills. If we call in this state attorney's office, it won't give me a Zoom hearing. You guys got 60 days or the deal's off. They can pay for the water bills. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go do it in Broward. All right, so you guys hurry up, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, buddy.